Yeah, put it in focus.
Got it. It's not doing anything.
The bee is smart, doesn't move. Because once it moves, he knows it's gonna be wrapped up. It doesn't move. He's smart. He's smart. He really stands still. It is not dead, you know? There, you see it start to move now. Oh, you see that? You see his thing? Oh, 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 you see it's fighting back, it's fighting back. I can see his thing coming out. He's really wrapped up now. No, that was a fight.
Tighten it so much.
Oh, that's it. Was it captured?
Yeah.
Just very little.
But it moves so much.